Hello, I'm Chris. I'm here at the Jack Demmer Ford showroom with Sue Sharkus, and she's going to tell me about the Flex.
The 2017 Ford Flex has up to 19 miles per gallon combined and seating up to 7. Sync 3 is standard on the SEL and also comes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The second row has an auto fold feature with standard 60/40 folding split bench seat. Reverse sensing system is standard on all Flexes. Power liftgate is available on SELs and is standard on Limiteds.
Thank you, Sue, for showing me around the Flex,
Thanks, Chris. Please come and see me at Jack Demmer Ford,
where you'll discover the Demmer difference.